friends, how are you? Hope you all are very fine today. But I am very much happy because the rainy season has started and this is the best time for grow all kind of cutting. Today I will show you that how can we grow bougainvillea from cutting. Look all these bougainvillea colors. This is so much beautiful. In bougainvillea you can get orange, pink, red, white, and sometimes you can look a blue color also. But I have many color in bougainvillea today. This one is a pink color, this another is orange color, and this third one color is a yellow color. You can see this petal, it's a look shaded yellow color. And this fourth one is a hybrid kind of bougainvillea. You see this petal very carefully. It have two colors there. Some petals are pink and some petals are white, and some are mixture of white and pink. So this is a unique bougainvillea. And this fifth one is a white color bougainvillea. I get this cutting from my nearby garden. There is all kind of bougainvillea tree there. You can get bougainvillea cutting from anywhere because this is a very easily available plant in many of the city. Before we started our video, if you are new viewer in my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and you will receive all the update regarding my new and previous video. When you get any kind of cutting from the tree, after that immediately keep it in the water because otherwise its humidity will go out. I took this cutting yesterday, but still the flowers and leaves look very healthy and fresh because I kept it in water. You can see in this cutting some lower parts are wet and upper parts is dry. When you are take any kind of cutting, you make sure that cuttings are not so younger and not so elder. You need 7 to 8 month old cutting. We take 6-inch cutting, cut the all leaves and thorn from cutting. Only left one leaves because it's help to our cutting for photosynthesis process. All kind of plant need food from soil, water and sun. That is a one kind of process that's called a photosynthesis respirations process. Sometimes without the single leaves, cutting can also survive, but success ratio is very much low. I am telling this thing based off my own experience. Look, this is a node area. Our rooting will start from here. So we give a sharp cut under the node. Without sharp cut, cutting will grow very easily in this season, but this is a good practice for any gardener. Look, this part is younger, so we not use this part for cutting. But don't you worry, I will not let the beautiful flower go to waste. Stay with me, I will show you something very interesting. One by one, I will make the all cutting from these branches. But make sure whenever you grow any kind of cutting, keep in the mind that always grow many more cuttings together because some of the cutting will definitely fail. If you are a beginner gardener, you must grow many more cuttings together. Our all cuttings are ready now. Let's move on to the beautiful part of the video. End of the video, I will show you bougainvillea cutting with update. As I say, I will not let the beautiful flowers go to waste. I have this empty bottle. We will keep all flowering branch in this bottle. We use from lower part and then one by one arrange all flowering branch in this bottle. We will make one beautiful showpiece with help of colorful flowers. Maybe any one branch start to give roots. It's also one kind of experiment. Let's move over the next process. Keep your cutting in water immediately. I have ready soil mixture in this pot. I have 40% soil, 20% compost and 40% sand. No need to use compost when you grow cutting. Generally I use compost for grow any kind of cutting because it gives me a successful result. You can avoid compost in this soil mixture. We give a hole in this soil with help of any kind of tool and keep this cutting 2 inch deep in the soil. You can use rooting hormone powder or honey with turmeric powder when you planting cuttings. When you put cutting in the soil, make sure that upper part will not going to lower side. Leaves will help to you in this process. You can see the upper part of cutting are open. We seal it with help of Fevicol. You can use nail polish, turmeric powder or cinnamon powder as a optional. We seal this part because fungus would attack from here very easily and our cutting will going dry. First time give a full water to your plant like this. Water must comes out from the pot hole and after that keep this pot in semi-shade area for a week and next time give water when upper part of soil will dry. As I say end of the video, I will show you my bougainvillea cutting with update. Look, this is my pink bougainvillea cutting. I planted this cutting 30 days ago. A branch has also come in this cutting which has many leaves and also has started to develop roots. In any cutting, the leaves comes first and then the roots started to emerge. This is the basic process for any cutting. So never transplant based on the growth of leaves. The best time to transplant any cutting after 40 days. I will transplant this cutting before finish this video. Our bougainvillea cutting has been done. So please comment me how did you like my video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.